The Coyl Gaming Desk is the first gaming desk created by Herman Gaming, and it might be the best desk that we've used for a setup yet. We were lucky enough to get our hands on it before release, so let's go through what sets this desk apart from the competition. Thank you to Herman Gaming for sponsoring today's video. Building the desk was thankfully very easy and straightforward, which is always appreciated. We spent a lot of time assembling furniture when preparing to film these types of videos for you guys, and it's clear that Herman Gaming has put a lot of thought into making this initial setup as easy as possible. Right away, we also noticed just how high quality the desk materials are. The desktop is a beautiful wood that feels sturdy, paired with sleek black metal legs. We love this color combination, really matching our darker office walls really nicely, but it does come in other color combinations too. You can choose between this walnut color, ultra black, ash, or studio white when it comes to the desktop, and ultra black or studio white for the legs. It's a nice mix and match of colors and styles to make sure you get exactly what fits your room. The size of this desk is 60 by 30 inches, which is a pretty good size. We generally prefer a wider desk since we have pretty wide monitors plus our PC on the desk, but this size still works just as well. We placed a widescreen monitor and a mini PC on the desk during testing, and we think it ended up looking really sleek while still giving us space to grow. Another important part of this desk is the fact that it's a sit-to-stand desk, so you can easily raise it to the height you need or even use it while standing. It uses a very clean rotary dial with tactile feedback for precise controls when changing the height, instead of a more typical up-down toggle switch. We love how premium this looks, and turning the dial is also just very satisfying. There is even an Easter egg within the dial that lets you play a game of Pong. I won't tell you how to do it, just make sure you have the height position locked before you try to figure it out. As you might know, we are huge advocates for good cable management. There's nothing that elevates a setup more than hidden cables. Thankfully, this desk has some great cable management features that make the task of hiding them a lot easier. First of all, it has a full-length and felt-lined cable tray underneath the desk where you can store all sorts of cables out of sight, while still having access to them when needed. It then has this really cool coiled and colorful cable that goes from within that cable tray down the height of the desk and plugs into the wall. This isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it also ensures that no cables get unplugged or tangled up when the desk moves up and down. You might have noticed the panel sticking up on the back of the desk. This is a modular perforated shroud, kinda like a pegboard. It lets you use several different accessories to really personalize it to your needs. The top row holes are standard pegboard sizes, so you can use both specific accessories made for this desk or any third-party ones. Herman Gaming offers accessories like planters, phone mounts, controller mounts, and display shelves to use with this panel. The desk legs also come with 2 built-in headphone hooks on each side of the desk. Herman Gaming has, up until now, been focusing on providing premium gaming chairs that we've loved using, so we're very excited that they're now launching a gaming desk to complete the set. We did pair this desk with their embodied gaming chair in black with cyan details, which we think just really brings it all together. It feels like a premium setup, and we are excited to further build upon this setup in the future. Who knows, we might even swap out one of our main setups to use this desk instead. That's just how much we've enjoyed it. Overall, we really love this desk and think it's a great way to invest in a timeless setup that will serve you well for years to come. The Coyl Gaming Desk comes out on Tuesday, May 19th in the US and Canada. You can find more information about it in the description below. Thank you again to Herman Gaming for sending this to us for review and sponsoring today's video. Let us know in the comments below what you look for when choosing a desk. While you're down there, consider liking this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like these in the future. We have a lot of exciting videos planned, including updates on our move to our new house that you don't want to miss. We also post daily short-form content here on YouTube Shorts, as well as on Instagram and TikTok at CamXPetra. You can also find all the products that we use in our setup on our website, CamXPetra.com. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, we really appreciate you. Until next time, bye.